Here are some highlights from our Q1 2020 release for DocXtools Companion. In Q4, we introduced the guided experience that walks the user through numbering issues found in the document, allowing them to fix or skip it. Now we've expanded this experience to include cross-references. To access this feature, admins must enable guided experience during installation. Then, when users click cross-references, DocXtools Companion analyzes the document and shows all the document's existing and potential cross-references directly in the task pane. Click a specific cross-reference to see where it appears in the document. To review each cross-reference, easily navigate between different items using the arrows and click Assign or Skip. To automatically resolve all references, make sure all items are checked and click Assign at the bottom. Results can also be filtered based on the categories of items found. To download the latest version of DocXtools Companion, access release notes, and learn more, visit the Litera Customer Center.